Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? Stars, planets, galaxies? Sure, they look beautiful. But here's the truth. Space is not as peaceful as it seems. Hidden among those twinkling lights are some of the most destructive, mind-bending, and downright terrifying things you could ever imagine. And if any of them were to set their sights on us, well, let's just say Earth wouldn't stand a chance. Today we're diving deep into the 5 most dangerous things in the universe. Cosmic phenomena so powerful they could wipe out entire star systems, bend the very fabric of space, or erase life in the blink of an eye. From black holes that swallow light itself, to invisible forces shaping the fate of the cosmos. This is a journey you won't forget. So before we start, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss our space adventures. Buckle up, because things are about to get dangerous. 1. Black holes. The universe's ultimate predators. Visual, dramatic CGI of a black hole sucking in a star. Imagine something so powerful that once you cross its invisible boundary, there's no escape. Not even light can get away. That's a black hole. Black holes form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity after running out of fuel.
Ow!
All of their mass gets crushed into an unimaginably small point called a singularity. Around it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Get too close, and you will experience spaghettification, a real term scientists use to describe how gravity stretches you into a thin strand of atoms. Fun, right? But the scariest part? Black holes aren't stationary monsters. They can move. And if one were to drift near our solar system, it could rip planets out of orbit or devour the sun. Then there are supermassive black holes, lurking at the center of galaxies with masses billions of times heavier than the sun. Our own Milky Way has one, Sagittarius A*. Luckily, it's far enough away not to be an immediate threat. For now. And let us not forget the theoretical primordial black holes. Tiny but possibly capable of passing through Earth like a bullet, leaving destruction in their wake. In space, you can see a black hole directly, but you can see what it does to its surroundings. It bends light, twists space, and rips matter apart before swallowing it forever. If that's not terrifying, I don't know what is. 2 gamma ray bursts, the cosmic death rays. Visual. A massive star collapsing, sending a powerful beam of light through space. If black holes are the universe's predators, then gamma ray bursts, or GRBs, are its sniper rifles. A gamma ray burst is the most powerful explosion in the universe since the Big Bang. These events happen when a massive star collapses into a black hole, or when 2 neutron stars collide. The result? A beam of high-energy gamma radiation that travels across the universe at the speed of light. And if one of these beams hits a planet, it can strip away its atmosphere in seconds, frying everything on the surface. To put it into perspective, a gamma ray burst releases more energy in a few seconds than our one will in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. If a GRB ever hit Earth head-on, it could trigger mass extinctions. Some scientists even believe one might have been responsible for a prehistoric extinction event hundreds of millions of years ago. The good news? They're rare. The bad news? They can happen without warning. Anywhere, anytime. 3. Supernova stellar explosions beyond imagination. Visual. A massive star swelling, then exploding in a brilliant flash. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it doesn't go quietly. It goes out in a blaze of glory. A supernova. In just a moment, the star explodes, releasing more energy than our sun will produce in billions of years. The light from a supernova can outshine an entire galaxy. Supernovae are crucial to the universe. They create heavy elements like gold, silver, and uranium. But they're also deadly. If one happened within about 50 light-years of Earth, the radiation could strip away our ozone layer, leaving the planet exposed to lethal cosmic rays. And then there are hypernovae, supercharged explosions from some of the most massive stars in existence. A single hypernova could be powerful enough to sterilize nearby planets. The closest known star that might go supernova soon is Betelgeuse in the constellation Orion. It's about 642 light-years away, far enough that when it finally blows, we'll be safe. But the sight will be spectacular, visible even in the daytime sky. 4. Rogue planets, the homeless wanderers of space. Visual. A lonely planet drifting through the blackness of space. Not all planets have a home star to orbit. Some are kicked out of their solar systems, doomed to drift endlessly through the galaxy. These are rogue planets. There could be billions of them in the Milky Way. Cold, dark worlds that wander through space like cosmic ghosts. The danger? If a rogue planet were to pass near our solar system, its gravity could wreak havoc, pulling planets out of orbit. It's triggering asteroid impacts, or even colliding with Earth. Some rogue planets might still hold heat from their formation, or have underground oceans warmed by radioactive decay, meaning they could, in theory, harbor alien life. But for us, the idea of a planet-sized battering ram suddenly appearing from the dark is more than enough reason to keep watch. 5. Dark matter and dark energy. The invisible threats. Visual. A galaxy surrounded by an unseen halo. Here's the strangest threat of all. We deign to even know what it is. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, and dark energy about 68%. That means everything we can see, stars, planets, you, me, is less than 5% of reality. Dark matter holds galaxies together with its gravity. Dark energy pushes the universe to expand faster and faster. But because they're invisible, we can't touch them, we can't see them, and we can't control them. What if dark matter could interact with normal matter in ways we haven't yet discovered? What if dark energy's acceleration eventually rips the entire universe apart in a big rip? We don't have the answers. And that might be the most unsettling fact of all. So there you have it. The 5 most dangerous things in the universe. Black holes, the cosmic predators. Gamma ray bursts, the death rays of space. Supernova, the stellar fireworks of destruction. Rogue planets, the silent wanderers. And dark matter and dark energy, the invisible mysteries shaping our fate. Space is vast, beautiful, and endlessly fascinating, but it's also filled with forces that remind us how small and fragile we really are. If you enjoyed this journey through the dark side of the cosmos, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the wonders and dangers of the universe. And remember, the next time you look up at the stars, you're not just seeing beauty. You're looking at a universe that's alive with unimaginable power. Stay curious, stay safe, keep looking up.